Assalamualaikum. I am Mr. Masmuddin Ahmed. So today we will discuss about the right form of the verb. Let's go to see it. 20% of the population is or are unemployed. So which sentence is correct? Or you can say here, illiterate. Okay, 20% of the population is or are illiterate. In this sentence, we have to find out that 20%. So this part and this one is the preposition. This one the noun. This part is a noun phrase. This part is prepositional phrase. And this part is noun. This part is adjective. And this part is noun phrase, and all this part is noun phrase equal to subject. Okay, but this part is not only a subject. From here to there, not subject, but from here to there, this part is called subject because 20% of the population, this part is calling us the subject. So here what happened? This noun is population. Is it the countable or uncountable? This is the uncountable. So if there is the uncountable subject, this part is uncountable. It was 20%. So finally you can say that this is the right answer. R is incorrect. I hope you can understand it. Of passengers, was or were killed. In this sentence, passenger is countable. Noun. This part is noun phrase and this part is subject, but countable. What types of countable? Because this part is uncountable. This is the singular. This is the singular. But from here to there, this is called singular. Because this passenger of passengers, it is not the major. Major part is a number. For this reason, all these parts are indicating the singular or plural. From here to there, it is not the singular, this is the plural. From all this part, it is called the plural form because the passengers a number. For example, 1000, but maybe in this a number, maybe 100 people or passengers, but not 1000. Okay. For example, here are all the pupils, but a particular percentage, but it may be the countable. For this reason, this is called the countable noun, but a number passengers, so this is called the plural form. For this reason, what happened? Was or were? Tell me the answer. Obviously it is incorrect, this correct, but why? Because this part is countable. For this reason, this a number, this is also one thing, but all things are a particular things. For this reason, this is plural. I have already told. For this reason, we have to write down here why. It is not acceptable, the was. I hope you can understand. one of the third students was or were in the class. So this is the all the students, but one third, that is 1 to 3 parts. So in these 3 parts, 1 by 3. I hope you can understand it. So this is the countable noun. This one is the countable. But this one is the uncountable. Generally, we are saying one is the countable, that is one part, but this part is indicating with this part. So all this noun phrase, this is the noun plural form. This is the adjective, and this one is also the adjective, because this is the article. You know that A and D, this is the article, but it is working as an adjective. So this is the noun phrase, but plural. This one is the noun phrase, but countable plural form. You know, and this part is one indicating with this word or this phrase. Finally, you can say that this part and this part taking the particular combined. For example, this is combined, but this is the particular, different things. So this is the combined things. For this reason, this is indicating as Y, because they is the plural form. Okay. So I hope that you will subscribe and you will share and you will comment.